Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up deep link handling with branch in iOS and Android. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To set up deep link handling with branch in iOS and Android, start by creating a branch account. Visit the branch website and sign up for an account if you haven't already. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard and create a new app. Fill in all necessary details, including your app's name and platform. After creating the app, go to the Links section in the dashboard. Here, you can create your first deep link. Select Create Link and follow the prompts to define your link's parameters. Next, integrate the Branch SDK into your iOS and Android projects. For iOS, use CocoaPods to install the Branch SDK by adding it to your pod file. Run pod install to complete the installation. For Android, add the branch dependency to your Gradle file. Sync the project to ensure the Branch SDK is included. Now, configure deep linking for both platforms. For iOS, open your appdelegate.swift file. Import the branch module at the top of the file. In the application, _did finish launching with options method, initialize branch. Add the following code for branch initialization. For Android, update your Android manifest.xml to declare the branch activity. This lets branch know how to handle incoming deep links. Next, handle incoming links in iOS. Implement the application _continue restoration handler method in your app delegate. Check for branch universal links and route them to the appropriate screen. On Android, override the onStart method in your main activity. Use the Branch SDK to handle deep links by checking if the app was opened from a link. Finally, test your deep links for both iOS and Android. Generate a test link from the branch dashboard. Send the link to your device and check if it routes to the correct content. That's it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.